Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Brothers and sisters, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Learn Arabic grammar the easy way. We will take the verb qala, which occurs 1715 times. That's the most frequently occurring verb in the Quran. We already know weak letters. What are they? Waw, ya, alif. And why are they called weak letters? Because a weak or a sick person makes similar sounds when in extreme pain. Oo, ee, ah. And if there is a weak letter in a verb, the verb becomes weak, like wahaba, wa'ada, qala. These are weak verbs. Okay? And remember two things about weak verbs. First thing is they follow one of these common styles like fataha, nasara, daraba, sami'a. So they are very easy. Don't be scared about them. And in fact, to make it easy for us, weak letters actually disappear or exchange with one another. Why? Because they are weak. They get tired. And actually these changes from waw to ya to alif, these changes, replacements are there for us to make it easy to say these words. We have learned weak verbs such as wahaba and wa'ada. Wahaba yahabu, wa'ada ya'idu. These verbs have wa in the beginning, weak letter in the beginning. Alhamdulillah. Now let us take qala, where the weak letter is in the middle. Qala, as I said, is the most frequently occurring verb in the Quran, so very important. Qala means he said, right? Now here is an interesting change. Qala, he said. Qalu, they said. It should have been qalta, right? Fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alta. So qala, qalu, qalta, qaltu. But what Arabs did here, to make it easy, they made it qulta. So alif got tired, it disappeared. Qulta, qultu, qultum, qulna. From here onwards, it is the same structure. So, can you translate? Qala,
he said.
Qalu,
They said.
Qulta,
You said.
Qultu,
I said.
Qultum,
You all said.
Qulna,
We said.
MashaAllah. Repeat after me 2 times. Qala, qalu,
Qala, qalu, qala, qalu.
Qulta, qultu,
Qulta, qultu, qulta, qultu.
Qultum, qulna.
Qultum, qulna, qultum, qulna.
MashaAllah. Can you say it with me?
Qala,
qalu, qulta, qultu, qultum, qulna. Once again. Qala, qalu, qulta, qultu, qultum, qulna. MashaAllah. Alim, teach your friend. Okay, let us take spoken Arabic and answer with yes. So I'm saying hal qala, did he say? You will say na'am qala, yes he said. Very simple. Okay, and so on. I mean the same pattern. So answer me. Hal qala,
Na'am qala.
hal qalu,
Na'am qalu.
hal qulta,
Na'am qultu.
hal qultum.
Na'am qulna.
MashaAllah. Once again. Hal qala,
Na'am qala.
hal qalu,
Na'am qalu.
hal qulta,
Na'am qultu.
hal qultum.
Na'am qulna.
MashaAllah. Alim. Okay, let us add an object here. What did he say? Khayran. Khayrun is the default, situation, and if it becomes object, it will become khayran. What did he say? Good. Khayran means good. Did he say good? Hal qala khayran. So you will say na'am qala khayran. Yes, he said something good. And so on. So answer me. Hal qala khayran.
Na'am qala khayran.
So we are just adding khayran. It's the same exercise. Hal qalu khayran.
Na'am qalu khayran.
Hal qulta khayran.
Na'am qultu khayran.
Hal qultum khayran.
Na'am qulna khayran.
MashaAllah. Once again. Hal qala khayran.
Na'am qala khayran.
هل قالوا خيرا؟
Na'am qalu khayran.
هل قلت خيرا؟
Na'am qultu khayran.
هل قلتم خيرا؟
نعم قلنا خيرا.
ما شاء الله. علم. Alhamdulillah. Now let us take فعل مضارع. But before we go there, you know قال is a 3-letter verb, so it has to come in on one of these 4 patterns: فتح, نصر, ضرب, سمع. But قال is not like قائلة, so to say, just for explanation. So it is not like سمع, so forget about that. Actually it is not قبيلة, but I just want to make life simple. So what you have is 3 options here. You have 3 options. Either you say قال يقال, like فتح يفتح, or قال يقول, like نصر ينصر, or قال يقيل, like ضرب يضرب. And Arabs preferred قال يقول. And here alif is changed with waw, so to say. So now يقول, as you can see, is easy to say also. So this is taken as the key of فعل مضارع. يقول, he says. ياسر يقول, ياسرون يقولون, توفيق تقول, أنا أقول, توفيق تقولون, نحن نقول. I hope you remember that these are the keys to remember. Ya, ya, ta, a, ta, na. So this part is very simple. Once you get يقول, the rest are same as يفعل, يفعل. Nothing new. So can you translate? يقول,
he says.
يقولون,
they say.
تقول,
you say.
أقول,
I say.
تقولون,
you all say.
نقول,
we say.
MashaAllah. Can you repeat after me 2 times? يقول, يقولون,
يقول يقولون يقول يقولون
تقول, أقول,
تقول أقول تقول أقول
تقولون, نقول,
تقولون نقول تقولون نقول.
MashaAllah. Can you say these forms with me? يقول, يقولون, تقول, أقول, تقولون, نقول. Once again. يقول, يقولون, تقول, أقول, تقولون, نقول. MashaAllah. علم. Alhamdulillah. Now, spoken Arabic as usual, answer with yes. هل يقول, does he say? You will say نعم يقول, yes he says, and so on. So answer me. هل يقول?
نعم يقول.
هل يقولون؟
نعم يقولون.
هل تقول؟
نعم أقول.
هل تقولون؟
نعم نقول.
نعم نقول. Yes, we say. Once again. هل يقول؟
نعم يقول.
هل يقولون؟
نعم يقولون.
هل تقول؟
نعم أقول.
هل تقولون؟
نعم نقول.
نعم نقول. I'm asking هل تقولون? Do you all say? And you will say نعم نقول. MashaAllah. Let us go for Amr now. Order or request. You know قال is فعل ماضي. He said. يقول, he says. Now take فعل مضارع يقول and remove يا and make the last letter silent. What will it be? قول. Okay. But you know the weak letter just runs away when you order, when you use it in order. I mean, it's too scared, too weak to take orders. So قول will become قل. قل means say, and you know it. قل هو الله أحد and so on. So قل means say. That's the key of Amr. So you can make the rest. So قل means say. قولوا, say. So translate قل,
say.
قولوا,
say.
لا تقل,
don't say.
لا تقولوا,
don't say.
Okay, repeat after me 2 times. قل, قولوا,
قل قولوا قل قولوا.
لا تقل, لا تقولوا,
لا تقل لا تقولوا. لا تقل لا تقولوا.
MashaAllah. With me now.
قل
قولوا,
لا تقل لا تقولوا.
قل
قولوا لا تقل لا تقولوا.
MashaAllah. علم. Okay, let's take spoken Arabic. When I say قل, what will you say? أقول, I will say, or I say, or I will say. And قولوا, نقول. Okay, answer me. قل,
أقول
قولوا.
نقول
Again, قل,
أقول
قولوا.
نقول
علم. Alright, let me add an object. I say قل خيرا. Say something good. So what will you say? أقول خيرا. Similarly, قولوا خيرا, نقول خيرا. Okay, answer me now. قل خيرا.
أقول خيرا
قولوا خيرا.
نقول خيرا
Once again, قل خيرا.
أقول خيرا
قولوا خيرا.
نقول خيرا
ما شاء الله. علم. Okay, if I say لا تقل, don't say something bad or whatever, what will you say? لا أقول, I don't say, or I will not say. لا تقولوا, don't you all say? You will say لا نقول. Alright, answer me. لا تقل.
لا أقول
لا تقول.
لا نقول
Again, لا تقل.
لا أقول
لا تقول.
لا نقول
Okay, ما شاء الله. علم. Alhamdulillah. Now let us take فاعل, مفعول and فعل. So you have فعل, فاعل, مفعول. Similarly, قال, قائل. The one who says مقول, here is simplification, that which is said, and قول is to say. Alright, can you translate? قائل,
one who says
مقول,
that which is said
that which is said, and قول
to say.
Repeat after me 2 times. قائل, مقول, قول.
قائل مقول قول قائل مقول قول
Okay, with me 2 times. قائل, مقول, قول. قائل, مقول, قول. ما شاء الله. علم. Alright, let us take spoken Arabic again. هل أنت قائل? Are you the one who says? So you will say نعم أنا قائل. Yes, I'm the one who is saying, or the one who says. And the plural. So can you answer me? هل أنت قائل?
نعم أنا قائل
هل أنتم قائلون؟
نعم نحن قائلون
Once again, هل أنت قائل؟
نعم أنا قائل
هل أنتم قائلون؟
نعم نحن قائلون
ما شاء الله. علم. Alright, now we are left with only 2 forms. هو فعل, he did. هي فعلت, she did. So هو قال, he said. هي قالت, she said. هو يفعل, هي تفعل. So هو يقول, he says. هي تقول, she says. Once again, هو قال, هي قالت. هو يقول, هي تقول. علم. Now, mashallah, we have completed the table, the brief table, or whatever you say. So let us repeat all the forms. Okay, with me. Bismillah. قال, قالوا, قلت, قلت, قلتم, قلنا. يقول, يقولون, تقول, أقول, تقولون, نقول. قل, قولوا, لا تقل, لا تقولوا. قائل, مقول, قول. هو and the last 2. قالت, تقول. ما شاء الله. And as you can see, it is just like فعل, فعلوا, except that قال, قالوا, قلت. Small change, and that is قلت, قلت, قلتم, قلنا. And قال, يقول, and the rest is same. So now we have the 3 keys with us, the 3 verb keys and the 3 noun keys. Can you repeat after me? قال, يقول, قل.
قال يقول قل
قائل, مقول, قول.
قائل مقول قول
With me?
قال يقول
قل.
قائل
مقول,
قول
قول. MashaAllah. Now is the time for homework or your workbook. In grammar, first of all, learn the table qala thoroughly and answer the questions, translate into Arabic or into English, or answer with yes in Arabic, and then fill up the verb table using the verb taba. Taba means he repented, okay, which is exactly similar to qala. So I will just give you the three keys. Repeat after me. Taba, yatubu, tub.
Taba, yatubu, tub.
Taib, matub, tawbah.
Taib, matub, tawbah.
MashaAllah. Alim. Alright. Now we have learnt a class of weak verbs. Another class which is like qala. Qala, yaqulu. Or taba, yatubu. In brief, on the pattern of qala. Alright. So we'll revise the weak verbs as we progress. Alhamdulillah, we have reached the end of the lesson. Don't forget the 7 types of homework. Be a teacher, and may Allah, and we end it with dua. May Allah help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, memorize the Quran. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alaikum. Learn to read Al-Quran, learn tajweed, understand Al-Quran and memorize it using easy, scientific and interactive methods. Get ebooks, videos, audios, posters, PowerPoint files, app links for different courses. We have specialized Montessori materials and games for making the Quran easy for kids, and a teacher's resource center too. Get personalized one-to-one online courses that suit your needs from expert teachers. For free trial, write to admin@understandquran.com or visit understandquran.com. Wassalamu alaikum.